Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a delicious and healthy recipe for homemade energy bars using oats, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, peanut butter, raisins, coconut oil, dark chocolate, and a touch of brown sugar. Perfect for a quick snack or a post-workout boost. Let's dive right into it. First, grab a mixing bowl and add 2 cups of oats, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds. These ingredients are fantastic for energy and packed with nutrients. Next, we're going to mix in 1/2 cup of peanut butter and 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. This will give our bars that creamy texture and delicious flavor. Don't forget to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar for a hint of sweetness and 1/2 cup of raisins for some natural fruit goodness. Now, for the best part, let's add in 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. Who doesn't love chocolate? Mix everything together until it's well combined. Once everything is mixed, transfer the mixture to a flat plate lined with parchment paper. Press it down firmly to make sure it holds together. Now, pop this into the fridge for about 2 hours. This will help it set nicely. Once it's ready, slice it into bars or squares. Remember, these bars need to be stored in the fridge to keep their shape and freshness. They're perfect for a quick snack on the go. And there you have it, homemade energy bars that are not only tasty but also super easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Share your creations with me in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy eating.